Hello guys, my name is Mr. BM and today I am going to share with you a video about QGIS. I will show you just an introduction into QGIS. I know we have a lot of students that are taking this software in execution and analysis of their data, especially for those pursuing Bachelor of Science in GIS and geomatics or geoinformatics, especially in Tanzania. So for today I am just going to share with you just a little thing about this QGIS software. Indeed, it is an open source software that you cannot purchase or you cannot subscribe anymore, but indeed you can obtain it for free and you can download from different sources or browsers. For today I am just showing you a thing about QGIS. We have different version for DCT 3.30, so you can obtain different versions and updated versions. It is according to you and your choice or selection. Okay, but for today let me show you how you can use this QGIS software. Indeed, it showed me a various or a previous assignment that I was doing. So let me remove this whole assignment. If you want to remove, I know we have beginners, so I'll go slowly for the sake of understanding. So what I'm going to do when I want to remove this layer, in fact, first of all, you have to know that when you're inserting or when you're inputting an image over here, this is called a layer panel. When you wish to remove this layer panel, do not state that where my layer is. No, just go here and right click and searching for your layer. Okay, so it is a layer panel where it is, so you have to search over here until you found your layer panel. So in fact it is this one. So when you check, your layers will be back again. Another thing that I want to share with you, it is how can I remove this layer. In fact, this it is rectangle. I mean, like, look, when you uncheck this box here, can you see your layers often disappear? Okay, so why? Because I have unchecked this box. When you check like this one, your layer is currently available and visible. Very careful. Okay, so when I want to remove over here automatically, what I'm gonna do, right click and go to remove layer. When you remove layer and accept, okay, your layer will disappear over the layer panel and over here and over the canvas. So I am going to just do for all layer that appear to be over my layer panel. Okay, what I'm just trying to search for, I'm just trying to make somebody understand what we're gonna do with QGIS. So I'm going to remove all of these layers. You know, sometimes when having QGIS, you may find doing a lot of things. Sometimes in Tanzania you cannot be employed in a certain task if you don't know how to perform and work with the QGIS or an AutoCAD. For geomatics we have Civil 3D AutoCAD, but it's not enough. There are some tasks that you have to do with a lot of softwares like QGIS, ArcGIS, ADAS Imagine, MV, and a lot of kind of softwares. The software help us in performing a lot of assignments. For example, in QGIS we can do a thing that is satellite image classification. It is an assignment that can be performed by using QGIS. Okay, but we have ADAS Imagine. We can perform what is called image visualization. You can visualize your image even by using QGIS, but in a search of accuracies and the moving of somewhere that may occur, we are going to use it as Imagine. So If you want to remove layer, you have to do like that I'm just doing now. But with the QGIS, we have different plugins that we're gonna learning in the next chapters or next videos. So what we're supposed to do is just subscribe my YouTube channel, that is Geotech Media. So just write Geotech Media in YouTube, and then we shall see my videos concerning with AutoCAD, QGIS, ArcGIS, ADAS Imagine, and a lot of stuff about geomatics, engineering, together with the remote sensing, space science, and satellite survey. I'm done with removing all of these images. You know, our sources of image, they might be satellite images, or might be direct feed acquisition of data, and might be different sources like USGS. So I am going to add here, you know, in QGIS we have two types of data. That may be raster images or raster data and the vector data. So what I'm going to input, it is all type of data. You know, raster images or raster data are those images that can include a GeoTIFF and TIFF formats, but in shapefile these can be originated from the vector. So let us add layer. We start with the raster layer because these are satellite images that I have been downloading. So you have to go to add layer and then select the raster layer. Do not select the vector layer, because the vector layer we are going to add in the next assignment after adding these raster layers. So my raster layer are found in desktop, in a remote sensing folder. So I'm just adding this, place control for the selection of the next one, control for the selection of the next, long place control to select the fourth one, then open. When you add over here, automatically can you see my images or my data has been opened. So you have to close like this one. Can you see these are satellite images that has been downloaded by using thematic map Lensat. Okay, another thing that I'm just going to show you, it is adding a vector layer. So you have to click your layer here and then add layers. For this time we are going to add the vector layers. So you have to browse over here and then select where your data are found. For this time we're going to in geomatics second year. You know, we were conducting while in second year this kind of assignments. So you have to go to remote sensing. You know, it is GS 121 by that time, I do remember. Then to practical sessions in practical 2. When you open Tanzania, can you found a lot of shape files like this one. Then long press control to select SHX shape file. Okay, just find again, it is a shape file. We have this one, shape file. Let's select the last one. It is in this one. Then you have to open and then select add. When you add, we expect some changes. So right, that has been happened. Then close this one, and then what next? Let me uncheck this satellite image over here. Let me uncheck, and then when you uncheck, all of these automatically will disappear. What is we have actually have this shape file. Okay, so if you want to visualize on the specific layer, you have to right click and select zoom to layer. Can you see? But if you want to change some parameters, like when you color, right click and then go to style, you will change your color in the mode or way that you wish. Can you see there are some changes over here? So you will explain some changes and such kind of stuff. Okay, can you see my layers has been changed? Even thickness, you can change a lot of things over here. If you want to uncheck this one, will disappear. If you want to uncheck this one, will disappear. If you want to uncheck this one, will disappear. So we left is just a railway. So what you see, it is just a railway. If you want to right click and change its color, let us make it be maybe green like this one. Can you see your color has been changed? But in style you can also change a lot of things, or you can go to properties and just setting your property that you wish or you want. Even if it is like lines, if you apply, you will see some changes over there. So if you back again and right click and come to change style color and selecting like this one on the way that you wish to, so these are in accordance with cartographers. If it is a source of water, I'm preferring you to be blue, and if it is such kind of stuff, so you can uncheck, or you can check this one. Can you see what is added over there? So even this you can customize its color, and there are a lot of properties in styling and such kind of stuff. Okay, thank you for listening me. I'm Mr. BM. See you in the next video when we're gonna explore more about classifying or making classification of satellite images, just doing what is visualization by using different software like QGIS Imagine. So thank you, and thank you more. My name is Mr. B. Subscribe my YouTube channel, that is Geotech Med, Geotech Med, and I will find a lot of videos over there. Thank you for watching.